having fun on the first day of school. Here at River Ridge Academy, educators are greeting students as they get out of their cars and walk into the school.
Have a good day, guys.
The first day of school is always an exciting time here at River Ridge Academy. We are so happy to open our doors today and have all of our students back in the building. Seeing the parents, seeing the students, we are excited for a great year.
The students are excited to be back and are ready to learn and have some fun.
I'm very excited to continue PLTW. It's a science program and I love it because it's like hands-on work and you don't just get to sit at your desk and do things.
Definitely playing basketball and football. And what I'm excited to be learning about in school is definitely more math and reading.
Earlier this morning, buses were pulling into Coos Elementary School, where educators are looking forward to having a great year.
We're super excited to welcome our students back to the 2023-2024 school year. As I told the teachers this morning in my morning announcement, we're focusing on routines, procedures, and building relationships today. Have a nice day, okay?
The students are also really excited to meet their teachers and make some new friends.
Hanging out with my friends and having fun and having the best teacher because Ms. Bryant's really cool.
Playing with my friends at recess and learning more math.
Hilton Head Island Middle School is welcoming back students into their newly renovated building.
We're super excited this year. So we had construction renovations begin over the summer, and our whole front office area has updated security, which is great. It's got a fresh look, which is amazing. We're also bringing in new furniture into the media center, and that whole area has been redone. So we're looking forward to making that an area that kids can come in with their teachers and do hands-on projects and get some learning outside of the classroom. Along with that, we've got 5 new classrooms that have opened up in our new wing, so we're excited to be able to get in there and use those this year for all the new fun and engaging activities that teachers have planned.
The students can't wait to see their friends and go to their classes.
I'm excited for social studies a lot and I'm excited for PE too because I like to go and play a lot and be active.
I'm excited to see my friends from last year and potentially make new friends.
More than 21,000 students are enrolled in schools across the district. For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.